One smart web app to rename cloud files at once is the Cloud File Renamer, CFR. The CFR can handle files renaming on Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Amazon S3. You can change file names without even downloading the files to your computer, tablet, or the smartphone. There are 4 benefits of CFR. Rename files on Google Drive. Rename files on OneDrive. Rename files on Dropbox. Rename files on Amazon S3. The users are required to create an account using these options. Sign up with Gmail. Sign up with Microsoft. Sign up with email. Link cloud drives to the application. After creating an account, you can link your Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Amazon S3 buckets to the CFR. Once a cloud drive is added, you'll see its folders. Simply click one or more folders to load the files into the CFR app. The actual renaming process. There are 12 renaming methods provided in the online renaming service. These are new name, replace text, remove text, trim text, suffix, prefix, numbering, insert at, lowercase, uppercase, title case, swap. You can apply one or more of these renaming rules and preview the file names before actually changing the names. Disclaimer: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Amazon S3 logos are the trademarks owned by their respective companies.